Welcome back to the Code Brief. Let's not waste time, let's jump straight into it. So, Microsoft Edge just picked up last week's Chromium security update. It rolled out pretty late on Friday, at least where I am, and by now, if you were using Edge over the weekend, chances are your browser already updated automatically. But as always, I like to keep you guys fully in the loop. After the update. Now, in terms of security, this patch brings 19 fixes from the Chromium project. Out of those, 2 are high severity. One is a use, after free vulnerability in DevTools, and the other is an out of bounds red issue in the GPU. The rest are medium level issues, and the good news here, no 0 days and nothing critical this time. So overall, a solid routine security update. But honestly, the more interesting change isn't even the security fixes, it's what Microsoft is quietly preparing to remove. After installing this update, I noticed that the sidebar deprecation notice has now made its way from Edge Canary into the stable version. That means this is no longer just experimental, this is happening. If you go into the sidebar settings and hit Customize, you'll now see a message saying that the sidebar applet is being retired. Microsoft says they're simplifying Edge and that new apps can no longer be added, while the quick access list will gradually disappear in future updates. Now, here's my take on this. This feels like Microsoft doubling down on Copilot. And to be fair, it makes sense. Copilot can already do most of what those sidebar apps were trying to do, but in a more dynamic, AI-driven way. So instead of maintaining a bunch of mini apps, they're consolidating everything into one experience. That said, if you actually use those sidebar tools regularly, this might be a bit annoying. It's one of those simplification moves that not everyone asked for. So yeah, just a heads up, if the sidebar is part of your workflow, you might want to start thinking about alternatives sooner rather than later. Anyway, that's the latest Edge Update security patches on one side, and the beginning of the end for the sidebar on the other. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.